Hi, welcome to Gardening with Granny. And I'm Granny, but you know what? Nobody calls me that. I have 4 grandchildren. I have 2 that live here in Michigan with me. Well, not with me, but with us. And I have a very close relationship with them because for 18 years I homeschooled. I also have 2 grandchildren in Boston, and I don't get to see them very often, but we still love each other. We still exchange different things, and I know a lot about their life, but it is different. I'm a naturopathic doctor, actually a traditional naturopath. And what that means is that I use an eclectic approach to helping people with their health situations. And I'm also an avid gardener. I've been a lover of gardens since, I don't know, maybe 50 years, and I'm close to 80 right now. So I've noticed that through the years, my gardening has changed, and maybe yours has too. In the beginning, my husband used to just tell the world how I would plant up to 100 flats of flowers and plants every single season. That's a lot of up and down and on your knees work. And in this stage of the game, I simply can't do that. So along the years, I've learned to adapt. And I know that plants are great teachers. They teach us how we can adapt. And all we have to do is watch them. So I hope that you enjoy my channel, that we learn along together on how we can adapt, how we can enjoy things, and how we can still have this love of gardening that is in all of us. So until the next video, I'll see you next time.